welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hold and spend multiple currencies in HSBC Global Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use your HSBC Global Wallet, you need to first of all set up the relevant account. You need to simply go to your HSBC Global Wallet and then open an account. So you need to simply open the account such as Everyday Global Account or Global Money Account and then add funds in different currencies. Funds can be added through the bank's mobile application or online banking by selecting the source and target currency and confirming the transaction. So you can even then spend the currencies directly or use the associated debit card for transactions with conversions handled by the bank at a fixed exchange rate. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.